Hi everybody, it's Sarah Hathorn, CEO of Illustra Consulting, and today I had the honor of spending really a VIP one-day intensive with Dr. Patty Bradley. So Patty, why don't you tell everybody what your name of your website is and a little bit about where you've been in practice and things like that.
Well, my husband David and I have Lake Oconee Dentistry, and it's lakeoconeedental.com. We're in Greensboro, Georgia, and we have been in practice at that location since 1998.
Yeah, and Patty and her husband David are highly successful dentists in that area, but they are really here, and Patty's really spending the day with me today. It's all about really up-leveling the practice to this whole new level is where they want to take the business, right? So we were really spending the day and talking about Patty and David's brand. And really online, offline, we did a little bit of shopping today. We talked about communication and her team, and we just had a great day, haven't we?
That's great.
So, Patty, why don't you tell everybody what are a few ahas that you would say were big takeaways from today from you?
I think the biggest aha moment was when Sarah, said to me, "Well, what would you say to a patient or to somebody that's not a patient more is why would you come to my office?" Not just that we're good at what we do and that we have the great stuff, but why? And it was really hard for me to answer. It's just something I never thought about.
Your differentiating factor,
yes.
I call it, right?
Yeah, right, correct. Mm-hmm. Why are we different? Why should somebody choose us over somebody else? So it's something that I really never put much thought into and didn't think about sharing it with others. Mm-hmm. So it was huge. It was a huge moment. Another thing was what I thought I looked good in wasn't necessarily what I looked good in.
Oh, you look great.
And things I would never have tried on were things that looked phenomenal on me, like just shirts I would have never even I would just pass right by. So that was an eye opener, and realizing that how you want people to see you has a lot to do, unfortunately, with how you look and what you wear and how you want them to receive you. You have to realize that you have to be a full package. You can't just, go show up in anything and have them see you the way you want to be seen.
Yeah.
Seen.
Yeah, and as a doctor, we talked about your stature within the community, and they do so much philanthropic work in the community, but it's about, how she and her husband show up as doctors in the community when you're out networking, the level of refinement. I think we talked a lot about that today. Less is more sometimes. But actually, she's got a beautiful wardrobe here to wear in the practice and outside of the practice, right?
It's very versatile.
Yeah,
it is amazing.
It's great.
Things I always shop separately. I shopped for my work clothes and my play clothes, and now it's complete and they're interchangeable, and I am consistent. That was one of my goals, is consistency for me. So that was a wonderful thing.
And it was, she's a very attractive, beautiful woman. So it was really about what do we leverage, what attributes do we pull out. I think you saw that in colors and styles. So gosh, we've just been like in this major intense day today. So what would you tell anybody that was thinking about spending the day with me? What would you tell them?
Don't think twice. Just do it. Call now. No, it was intense. But for me, it was a blast. It was thought-provoking. Like I said, more than just clothes.
Yeah.
Much more, the whole entire brand, from the website to Twitter and Facebook to what you wear and what you want your message to be. So it was full, comprehensive, awesome day.
Great.
And she even helped me in the changing room.
Yeah.
So she was my throw-to person.
Right. So you've got a ton of take-home tools, a ton of strategies, methods, all these things to really put into place to play a much bigger game, right?
Oh, huge.
Yeah.
It was huge.
Yeah.
So more than I expected.
Yeah, and she was fun. So it's always fun when you have a fabulous client in for the day. So thank you, everyone, and until next time, this is Sarah.